Hi everyone, today we are going to see how we can use the Datawiza Access Proxy to protect your API with Okta Authentication. Now let's begin. First of all, we have prepared an API server that provides API service without any authentication. You can see that I can call the API and get the response without any protection. Now let's take a look at what will happen after it integrates with Datawiza Access Proxy. Now you can see I cannot get the response if I did not provide any credential. Then, if I add the access token in the header, I can get the response as usual. In this part, we are going to see how easily it can finish the all configuration in a few minutes. In the beginning, I will create a new deployment called Web API Demo and create a new application called Web API. We need to select Platform as API here. Couple of things we should point out here: the public domain is the entry point of publicly accessing the protected resource, and the listen port number is the port our access proxy will listen on. And the upstream address is the internal address of the protected API. This step is to configure the authorizer. You can use different authorizers in the same application, and it is quite flexible. I will name it as Okta Authorizer. Choose the type as JWT and select the identity provider as Okta. Input the issuer and audience. The resource path defines under which path it will be protected. In this example, I will input the root path. Copy the provisioning keys or the YAML file, you will need them later. Because you are using SSL on the public domain and you do not have any reverse proxy or load balancer to handle SSL traffic for you, you need to enable SSL here and let the Datawiza Access Proxy handle the SSL traffic. Now let's switch back to our terminal. Here we need to create a YAML file and paste the content you copied from the previous step. Use the docker compose up-d command to spin up the Datawiza Access Proxy. So far, we have finished the configuration part. That concludes the demo, and as you can see, Datawiza Access Proxy simplifies the process of enabling modern authentication and authorization for APIs. With Datawiza Access Proxy, the migration to Okta can be achieved easily, securely, and efficiently. Thank you for watching.